What's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. If you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Click the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I give you guys some massive new video. So today I'll be showing you and also discussing on how I was able to get a breakthrough into the forex trading, and also I'll outline it into the charts for things to look out for and not be caught on the wrong uh, trend. So what I've experienced is losses over the years, but then as soon as I managed to master my emotions and also being able to follow the trend. Remember, we are not market makers. You have to follow the trend in order to make the money. If the market decides that it's going up, you have to go up with it. If the market decides that it's been in a bearish trend and now it's deciding to go and change the analysis, follow the market. So let's go into the charts. I'm on the charts, guys. As I've explained, that you have to follow the trend or follow the market wherever it goes. So without wasting much time, let me show you. Here you can see I wrote you have to follow the market or the trend, because sometimes what you have the market reversing out of nowhere. As you can see here, I would say we never reached our 90% rule, because we'll have our 90% rule saying the market broke and then the market must reach this point in order to have a 90% rule percent. But you can see the market doesn't show any signs of coming to this point. But also, if you look at this one, you can simply say, and if we take this uptrend, we take our Fibonacci up to this point, you can at most see that the market decided to reverse where at the 50%. So it's showing you that I am not ready to push to the downside. So you can see here it's a 50% of the Fibonacci coming from this point, and you can see we've been having impulse correction, but the overall trend, if you go to daily, you zoom out, you can see the overall trend is still giving you that the market is bullish. You can see, and also you can see if you take it from this point 1, 2, this will be our third point. You can see that the market is saying I'm rejecting here because I'm at the third touch. You can see we are having 1, 2, 3. So here I can see that we are having greater formation of a continuation of this uptrend. So what I will do, I'll just simply do this. As you know, we make sure that we keep our charts clean. Let me remove everything. And I can simply draw this one here, because I can see 1, 2, this is the third touch, you see. So we are having 1, 2, 3. Always remember to put in all your analysis on point so that you can be able to reflect back and see the movements that reversed out of nowhere. But you can see the reason why we are reversing. We have 1, 2, 3 at the bottom, which is we are having a diagonal support. So, and we are also having this third touch, you can see. So a third touch here, and also 1, 2, 3, you see. So we have a chance of pushing to the upside. So look at it from this perspective. Let me go to 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame would simply explain in much detail, because you would see that we are diving inside, and then when you are going much more inside, you'll have more candles. So 1, 2, 3 from bottom of structure, you could have took your entry here knowing very well that this is the third touch. Okay, remove this. So at most it will look something like this because you have to kick that, and you can see here they pushed a little bit down as a stop hand to kick people out. So but now we are looking at this perspective, and then now I'll be able to show you what to watch for. I'm on 4-hour time frame. What can possibly happen is that you can see we are still in a bearish trend here, but the overall trend is bullish. So what you need to watch out for is the point of interest. I want to show you what could possibly happen. We can possibly have this type of formation, you understand, which is point analysis 1. You can have this point pushed to the upside. When it reaches here, fails to break, and then it will simply fall. So you have to watch how the market goes, as I've explained the nature of the market. Subsequent to that, you can have a move pushing, breaking this, coming back to retest before pushing to the upside. What will cause this? It simply show you that the market is indeed ready to push to the upside. That will simply mean that this bearish movement has been validated. But we can also see that this is a channel, a falling channel. So the break of this will simply say this has formed a new bullish, because what I like to see on 4-hour here, I don't see any retracement. You can see the market pushed, so I don't see something like this giving us a low here. As you know that whenever you are in an uptrend, you would have what? You would have a higher high and a higher low. So this would have given me something like this, meaning it would have been a new, excuse me, could have shown us that it's creating a new trend with our, because now we can see we are having what? A higher high, so expect a higher low. So I can say here this, because this is higher than this one, so this was so it's a new formation, higher high. So this has to give us higher high, and then so you can see if it comes retest around this point, or even if it doesn't touch, if it shows us that yes, indeed it's giving you us a new formation, then we'll know that we are continuing to the upside. Then it would have gained momentum. So what I would say and also recommend for you to do is for you to make sure you don't get caught up on the wrong side. Okay, can just do this. Then make sure you don't get caught up on the wrong side. At the moment, I would say wait. There's no trade at the moment because this has reached a high. Remember, you can't buy high. We only sell high, but we don't have a reason to sell here because you can see we are having an impulse to the upside, this impulse. And as you know that whenever you're having any impulse, you expect a correction. So this is a long impulse, so I'm expecting a little bit of a deep correction before we push to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting. Let's do this. Yes. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a correction, and then once we have a correction, I'll be able to put my counter lines. You can also call them the counter lines. So this is what I'm expecting to happen, and then we can be able to take our buys to the upside. So when we reach this level, we have to observe carefully how the market reaches here, whether it's reaching in a corrective manner. If it's reaching in a corrective manner, for instance, if the market decides to reach this point in this manner, we can expect a push and then another push. Then, but if it breaks this strong zone, then we can expect the market to do what? To continue to the upside, and we'll continue with our buys. So you have to make sure you understand and also be able to look into the future, and also what you can predict what can happen, and also the reverse of that, the opposite of that. If this doesn't happen, this can happen. So we know that for me to buy, I'm waiting for a correction. I can never buy high. I buy low and sell high. You understand? So this will be the high that I can say I'm selling here. But then you can see we are still within this bearish trend here, but the overall is bullish, because it's possible that we can have a move. This can be a change of direction of this break, push your upside, or it can push up, reach this point here, this resistance, hold, and then it goes again to this point before it pushes to the upside. So always be aware of the market, what it can do, because the market doesn't see your trend lines. Always remember that the market respects the price, not seeing what you have drawn and say, okay, fine, I'm gonna reverse here. No, the market doesn't say that. The market follows the price. So it's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. I'm glad you could join me and see the breakthrough skill that I've managed, that assisted me in getting the success in Forex trading. Apply it and also become one of the successful traders. Peace.